Welcome to Chapter 1 of the Excel training. In this chapter, we'll cover concepts and topics that will go across the entirety of the course and will help make the course easier. In each chapter, you'll have a series of questions on the instructions page, along with the link to the YouTube video for you to follow. The link's in these blue buttons here. You'll launch the YouTube link and follow along with the corresponding page. So for instance, you'll see Chapter 1 instructions, and on the next page, you'll find the empty data template where you'll complete the work. To be Please be sure to save your work frequently in a .xlsx format. It is important to note that we will only accept submissions in XLSX format. You must show all of your work, including any text edits, formulas, charts, and so on. Along the way, we'll introduce some Excel shortcuts which will help with your efficiency and understanding of Excel. Ultimately, the goal of this course is to help you pass the Microsoft Excel 365 Associate exam, also known as the MO210 exam. Chapter 1 is all about anchoring, which is arguably the most important concept that you'll learn in Excel. You don't want to repeat data or formulas, which can lead to mistakes, and you want to create files that dynamically update when something changes. There are a few exceptions, but this is just generally good practice. We assume that most users have at least seen Excel or Google Sheets, but we'll point out a few concepts. For instance, the ribbon is at the top here. Below that, we have the formula bar here. On the left, we have the name box, and then the sheet names are at the bottom here. When we reference cells, we are using the standard naming convention, which is column first, and then row. For instance, if I was to click on, say, I5 right here and type in Hi World, enter. If we look at the name box at the top here, we'll see it says I5, and then in the formula bar, it says Hi World. So we can use the name box to see the cell that we are in, or we could use it to jump to another cell. Like let's say if I do A5, brings me to A5 here. With that, we are ready to get started, and we will see you in the next video.